To view this video, please enable JavaScript, and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5 video. Nigella Lawson has made us change the way we think about food with her new series Cook, Eat, Repeat, from using shower caps in the kitchen to changing the way we butter out toast. Now, she's also revealed that we've been pronouncing simple words like microwave wrong this entire time.
In last night's episode of the hit cookery show on BBC Two, National Treasure Nigella revealed her unique way of saying the word, and viewers cannot get enough. Just when you thought she couldn't get any more iconic, she goes and does something like this.
How do I set Nigella Lawson's pronunciation of microwave as my ringtone? One fan wrote on Twitter. The way Nigella pronounces microwave is my new favorite thing. Microwave, another said.
In the same episode, Nigella left Cook, Eat, Repeat viewers stunned after saying butter facial while making mashed potato. The celebrity cook showed viewers how to make brown butter colcannon, mashing the potatoes and adding kale, while chopping spring onion separately.
To view this video, please enable JavaScript, and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5 video. Next came melting the butter. As she explained, I think of it as caramelized butter with all of the gorgeousness that implies. Is there anything better than a butter facial? The BBC Two show also saw her cooking up black pudding meatballs and pasta with cavolo nero and induja. Nigella's Cook, Eat, Repeat airs Mondays at 8 p.m. on BBC Two. Got a story? If you've got a celebrity story, video or pictures, get in touch with the Metro.
Co.uk entertainment team by emailing us celebtips@metro.co.uk, calling 020 3615 2145, or by visiting our Submit Stuff page. We'd love to hear from you. Nigella Lawson stuns Cook, Eat, Repeat viewers with butter facial. Remark while making mash, does egg belong on pizza? Nigella Lawson divides fans with Holly Willoughby dubbing it something out of the Bean.